No. Okay, so I want you to expand this for me. Okay, so I want you to get rid of the brackets for me and simplify as much as possible. Let's make sure we remember how to do powers and fractions. So this is just your basic index law stuff. There's nothing fancy going on. I am positive. Did we get the right thing? The power goes on every part, the numbers and the letters. Do not forget about that. All right, I'm also going to give you hopefully the easiest question in the world. Okay, simplify that for me. I am just going to rewrite this to show you why I'm doing what I'm doing in case you got it wrong. All right, did we get that? 3x to the power of 4. So what we got? Okay. So just a reminder of how some of those things work. All right, I am now going to go through a very difficult example, and you need to make sure that you recognize how fractions work, how powers work, and then put that inside the binomial expansion. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to think about this. You can talk to the person next to you because it's going to require some thought. So find the term independent of x. What does that mean? What? Right, where x is to the power of 0. So there's no x. You won't be able to see an x. Okay, I want you to have a think about what you might do here and how you could figure out which term does not have an x in it. Have a chat to the people around you. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes and then I'm going to show you how to do it. Correct. The final answer, when you simplify it all, will have no x in it. Have a think about how you could manipulate this, figure out which term is not going to end up with an x.
It's not going to be the final.
Yeah, it will be.
It will be. So
oh, sorry, the final term. It's not the final term. Because, so look at this, both terms have an x in it. So when we're looking at, often when we're saying like if it's x minus 7, well, the last term doesn't have an x in it because the first term's disappeared and the last one doesn't have one. But this one's going to be somewhere in the middle. You need to find the balance of what's going on here. I'm going to draw you a little hint. There's my hint. Got it? Oh, so I don't want what number term it is. I want what the answer is. I get what you're saying and you're right. 240. Look at the boys down the back. They've got it. Well done. I'm going to give you guys another minute to have a think about it. You're trying to figure out which term does not have an X in it based on the green idea. Right? See how the X's disappear when I do something like that, because anything divided by itself is 1. Think about what term is going to come up with a similar idea in this one. All right, Junior, do you want to have a go at explaining how you knew it was the 5th term?
So like you need to make sure that those powers cancel.
Yeah.
You thought it was the power on like the second term has to be the power on the second term has to be higher than that on the first term or the same. So to make it the same, and we just did some measurements. So, so it's just the 5th term. So when you do the 5th term, it's 64. And because and we already know that the power is going to be 4 for the second term. So I mean like the one on the inside the brackets. So it's going to be 64.
Say it again.
So like the -2 over x is going to be that one's going to be to the power 4.
Okay. So what's this one? Yeah. 6 minus 4.
So x squared to the power x squared is x power 4, and the other one is minus. Let's see.
Very, very good. Okay, so that's what's going on here. What we're saying is we needed this idea to happen. This is x to the power 4. This is x to the power 4. This is on the bottom of the fraction. This is on the top of the fraction, right? Just like this idea here. So when you put them together like this is like that over 1. So these two cancel out. You can think of that as being over 1. So these two cancel out. And then we've got 15 times 16, which gives us 240. Yeah.
So if you say that n minus r is the power of the first.
Yep.
So isn't the second one just all?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's always that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it always has to equal r, right? Yeah. Okay, that is a really difficult question, but questions like that do come up on the exam. So more often the last type of question is more common, like find me the 8th term or find me the 5th term, but this type of thing can come up. This is question 18 from the book. I didn't assign that, so I thought I'd do it because it's hard, but there are other questions like this on the book, in the book. All right, so today we're doing 6.3. Go for it.